So hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. राधे राधे।
बेटे हाँ बेटे मौज कर दी। हाँ मौज कर दी, वाह बेटे वाह। अरे वाह शेर हुआ तुम तो। अरे तुम तो बड़े हैवी ड्राइवर हो भाई।
So hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. राधे राधे। मेरा नाम रुकी है, जैसे कि आप लोग जानते हैं। And let me wear my headband. Okay, I'm literally nervous while making the video, man. I was never nervous, but now I'm feeling really nervous. I don't know why. It's just because I guess I have not made a proper video from over a month. Okay, extremely sorry. And I'm speaking English because many of you can't understand Hindi. So that's why I'm trying my best to speak in English for you to understand. Okay, so today's video is about I want to tell you all something that I gained 1k subscribers, man. Yes, it's not even 1k, it's 1.2k. Osh, I'm so happy. I want to thank you all. Like, how can I thank? I don't know how to thank people. I really appreciate you all. Like, I gained 1k subscribers 1 month ago only, and I decided to make the video that time only, but I didn't get any chance. Like I didn't have the proper tools that time, like editing tool and etc. So I thought I'll make it perfectly, but everything turned out opposite. So yeah, but still I had to make this because I just wanted to make this so badly, and I want to have a chat with you guys. Okay, so yeah, I gained 1.2k subscribers. Like, I can't even thank you. Ash, thank you so much. I'm feeling so happy. Like, I appreciate you all so much. मतलब मैं पागल हो गई थी, आपको पता है? Like, literally I was shouting. I could have posted it on YouTube, but I thought no, I need to make a video and share my excitement to you all. I'm so happy. Like, I never imagined that I'll get 1k subscribers. Like, 1k people subscribed me. It's too much. Like, whenever I see 300 people, I feel like, oh man, there are so many people. But here's 1.2k, man. Like, it's the triple of it. I'm so happy. Ash, not triple, it's forever.
ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो।
So today's video, like every YouTuber do, I also do. Okay, so I have got 1k subscribers, and then I'll do a Q&A because you guys have asked so many questions and haven't replied to it, because I wanted to include it in the video. So I have done it. I've taken the screenshots, and this is my phone. One person asked me, this is my phone, see. Because of this, I'm active on Instagram. My Instagram ID is RukiJ only. You can come there, have a talk with me, because I'm really active, because it's my phone now. It's my personal phone. It's not like, it's just a normal phone. It just works well. Do you want to see my wallpaper? Okay, see? It's of course BTS. Wait a minute. Wait. Let me increase the brightness. Yeah. Can you see? Yeah, it's BTS. I've got so many screenshots. Like, there were many questions. I was so happy. Like, literally, you guys asked so many questions, and I'm really happy. Oh, I'm so happy. Thank you. Okay, so first, you all want negative comments or positive comments? I'll start with the negative, because let's first go the negativity away. Okay, so Kishan Samal. I'm not good at reading nowadays. I haven't read for 1 year. Nibbi spotted army mean अरे बच्चा पढ़ाई करो. Hey. Nibbi spotted. There are a lot of comments like this. Like, अरे निब्बी जाके टीवी पे पोगो देखो. हम सबको इंडिविजुअली रिप्लाई नहीं करेंगे. You can see it. अरे निब्बी जाके टीवी पे पोगो देखो निब्बी. Okay. मैं देखूंगी. आप आके मेरा घर में लगा दो डिश. ओके, आप आके पे कर दो सब चीज़, और मैं पक्का देखूंगी. ओके, डन. डू यू guys know why I'm jumping from that time? Because I'm sitting on the pillow. It's my bed right here, and I'm sitting on it. I'm dumb, I know. Okay, I don't even know why I set it up. Okay, let's be serious, Jaya. आपको BTS के साथ साथ एक अच्छे साइकोलॉजिस्ट की भी ज़रूरत है. Okay, recommend me. in the comment section. BTS आर्मी जाके पढ़ाई करो लिटिल गर्ल. BTS आर्मी OP. Okay, मैं पढ़ाई करती हूँ यार. Like you guys are so worried about my studies, man. You guys are more worried about my studies than me and than my parents too. Okay, let's move on. I don't want to reply so much. Oh, Sasti Carry Minati. This comment is so famous, man. Like, आते रहते हैं. Oh, Sasti Carry Minati. Like, literally, Carry Minati and me. Carry Minati is here and me not even there. Okay, so don't compare. Also, again I'm jumping. Also, like, Carry Minati roasts with his slangs and etc. And I don't do it. But still, you give me this title of Sasti Carry Minati. It's somewhere a good thing for me. Like, I grew up. Thank you for it. Okay, next. Oh, where I'll show the screenshots, man. I'll show it here. Okay, I'm moving here. भाई तू तो लड़का है तब भी BTS है. राम BTS लड़के तो पागल थे, अब लड़के भी. गुस्सा वाली इमोजी. क्यों यार, लड़के नहीं पसंद कर सकते क्या BTS को? ये कहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है? फैन बॉयज होते हैं वो. इट्स लाइक नॉर्मल थिंग. आपको विराट कोहली पसंद है तो वो आपका फैन बॉइंग हो गया, वो आपका कुछ गलत नहीं हुआ. लाइक अगर ये BTS को पसंद करते तो यार मतलब क्या थिंकिंग है यार. मतलब ऐसा मत सोचो यार. इट्स लाइक अ नॉर्मल थिंग. Yeah, you get inspired by them, you like them, it's okay. अभी पढ़ाई लिखाई करो. Oh man, these guys are so worried about my studies. Famous comment. ए बच्ची जाके पढ़ाई करो, IAS वाइस बनो, क्यों पंगा लेती हो किसी से? बच्ची है यार, बच्ची हो यार, क्यों आके आप मेरे से बहस कर रहे हो? आप बड़े हो ना, मत बहस करो, जाओ. ओके. हाँ, कभी अपने पेरेंट्स की भी इतनी रिस्पेक्ट की है जितनी इन थर्ड ह्यूमन जनरेशन की. Third human generation? Like literally? Third human generation? Wow. भाई पहले इंग्लिश जाके सुधारो, ठीक है? और रही बात पेरेंट्स की, do you even know my parents? Do you even know how I am? Do you even know my personality? Do you even know my parents' name? Do you even know me? Then how can you state कमेंट लाइक दैट. लाइक अपने पेरेंट्स की रिस्पेक्ट कर लिया करो. मैं क्यों बताऊँ मैं आपको अपने पेरेंट्स की कितनी रिस्पेक्ट करती हूँ? हु आर यू? आई डोंट नीड टू क्लैरिफाई टू यू दैट हाउ मच आई रिस्पेक्ट माई पेरेंट्स. ओके, देन गेट लॉस्ट. तुम छक्के प्रेमी की ही होते हैं. यू आप लोग की सोच इससे भी नीचे. लाइक आप लोग ना ज़मीन को खोद के घुस के भी एकदम अंदर घुस गए हो. उतनी नीचे वाली सोच है आपकी. तो आई डोंट वांट टू रिप्लाई टू देम. ओके, देयर आर लॉट मोर. लाइक आई एम रिप्लाइंग टू मोर नेगेटिव कमेंट्स. मेंटल, लाइक यू. मैं तुम्हें अनलाइक भी ना करूँ. मतलब क्या कहना क्या चाह रहे हो? दोनों में से किस चीज़ में हो तुम? ना इधर के ना उधर के. छोड़ो. बच्ची हो बच्ची रहो समझी. बच्ची हो बच्ची रहो समझी. मैं बच्ची हूँ, मैं बच्ची ही हूँ. ठीक है, आप बड़े रहो. Okay, so this is the last one. This is the latest one. You are doing this for attention, right? No, miss, I'm not doing it for attention. Like in this video, in the video of That Assassin fans, many of the new armies don't know, like me, that this happened, and I wanted to spread awareness. Like, never do this kind of stuff. And even though it's like 2 or 3 years behind, then also it has happened, and it's wrong. So I have the right to tell it, okay? And rahi baat Enhypen ki, the Enhypen, like, they debuted. Okay, they debuted recently only, and before debut this thing happened. Just imagine it. You can't imagine it. Like, you can't imagine people coming to you and just going upon you. It's so bad. Just imagine it in your situation. You'll get it. Okay, so my first thing was to spread awareness. Okay, and even if I wanted their attention, why did I even told in the video that I have written the title with some attentive words, like attractive words? Because I wanted to attract your attention so that you can understand the points, and that was my main motive. And if you think that is called attention, then think whatever you want. I don't care, okay? I literally don't care, but I feel bad that there are some armies like you, because you have told that I'm an army, even I'm an army, but armies don't use but armies don't do these kind of things. Like every army supported me, and like even if they commented like haters gonna hate, players gonna play, and Didi don't give reply to them, they are just waste. I did appreciate that. Like yeah, I got to know that I don't need to reply them seriously. I learned from them. But you, what you told, you directly told that I did it for attention, man. I have written also that I felt sad. I want to reply, thank you Ayush Yadav. I don't know who you are, but thank you for defending against me. It's a serious topic. This topic is serious. I just want to say, सब time पे किया करो, not for attention. सब time पे कैसे करती? I was not even there 2 years back or 3 years back. I became army just 1 year ago. Like this year February, 1 year, full 1 year. So when I knew, I tried to spread it. I tried to spread the awareness through my YouTube, through my viewers. So is it wrong? When I got to know this, I tried to make a video on this. I didn't like it is 1 or 2 years back, then I will not focus on it. I tried to make people understand that don't do this again. I even told this. So let's move on to the positive comments, and there are a lot of positive comments, like positive questions, like genuine questions. Okay, so why you are favorite BTS member? Who is your favorite BTS member? My favorite BTS member is no one, because they all are my favorite. I'm OT7, and there are a lot of questions like that. Who is your bias in BTS? My bias is OT7. I'm literally OT7. I can't choose between them. How are you, sister? I want to know how many subscribers you have. Please reply me. I'm gonna unhide it, so please see it. And I'm good. Like I was bad, but now I'm making the video, so I'm really good. Please reply me. I replied you. I wanted to reply you through the comment. Sorry, I wanted to reply you through the video, so that's why I didn't reply you guys. Surya Pratap Nayak, this is my reply to you. Do you have money to visit BTS concert? I don't have money right now, but I'm collecting it. I already told in my video that I'm collecting money, and if they come to India, I'll definitely try my best to go. Like I'll definitely try my best to go. Okay? आपको कोरियन बोलना आता है, मुझे थोड़ा आता है ना, बहुत क्यूट है. थैंक यू. और मेरे को कोरियन बोलना नहीं आता है. लाइक मैं के ड्रामा से बस थोड़ा बहुत जानती हूँ. लाइक जैसे जागिया, अभी बोला जागिया मतलब हनी लव. फिर आपका हो गया उप्पा सारंगियो, फिर जोआए, अन्यंगासेयो, अन्यांगी घासेयो. I know some words like gachima, hajima, these kind of words. Okay, these are like literally cute words. Okay. Next question. So sis, what's your age? I'm 14. I'm going to be 17 in April. It's my birthday on 12 April. Okay. Kid, what's your class? My class is 12. I'm in 12th. Okay. I went to 12. I am in 12. Like I was in 11 and now I'm in 12. Thank you for reply to me. You live in Mumbai. I don't live in Mumbai, Sia. You have asked me so many times. Sorry for not replying you. So you live in which place? I live in Jharkhand. Please tell me your skincare routine, sis. Please, you are so sweet and beautiful. Beautiful, sweet, me. Okay, no problem. But still, thank you. And skincare routine. Literally, do you wanna know my skincare routine? There's no routine. I don't even take care of my skin. See my skin, it's not too good. It's not even good also. I don't care about myself, you can say. I don't look for myself. So don't be like me, okay? I don't have any skincare routine. I have nothing. Okay? Are you the fan of Blackpink? Yes, I'm a multi-stan. I stan everyone. Like, I stan Blackpink, Twice, Momo. Like, I don't dislike anyone, you can say. I don't dislike anyone. I like everybody because I'm not as capable as them, and I don't have any reason to dislike them. So yeah. Also, there are lots of comments like where people are saying, I purple you, I love you. I literally love you guys. I don't speak the word I love you very, very, very frequently. Like it's rare I speak these kind of words, and I very rarely speak. But I want to tell you guys, thank you for 1K subscribers. And I'm saying it right now. I love you all. Bodahe, sarangyo. and I don't know how to appreciate things. I just want to say thank you guys. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for waiting on me. I'm so dumb and nobody unsubscribed me. That's a big achievement for me. Like, I didn't make videos for 3 weeks and you guys still subscribe me. I would have unsubscribed myself only, but still you guys have so much patience, and thank you so much. I love you all. Thank you. Let's end the video here only because it's gonna be too long if I go on talking. And thank you for everything. Thank you for subscribing me, guys. I love you all. Thank you for tolerating me. Thank you for seeing my video. Thank you for everything. Love you all. It's so cheesy. Ooh. So cheesy. Oof. So guys, bye bye. Radhe Radhe, Jai Shri Ram, and wait for my next video. I will say this. Wait when I'll come with more videos. Sure. Bye bye.